Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we do a quick analysis of Ethereum. We study what it is all about, its chart, and how you can purchase one for yourself. Please check the link in the description box below to find more information on how to buy Ethereum. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Crypto markets are very volatile, so please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. So this is the official website of Ethereum, and as per the website, Ethereum is a technology that's home to digital money, global payments, and applications. The community has built a booming digital economy, bold new ways for creators to earn online, and so much more. It's open to everyone. Wherever you are in this world, all you need is an internet. Ethereum also helps to get a fairer financial system, since today billions of people can't open bank accounts and others have their payments blocked. So what Ethereum's decentralized finance or DeFi system currently does is that it kind of helps you send, receive, borrow, and earn interest, and even stream funds anywhere in the world. Ethereum isn't just for digital money. Anything you can own can be represented, traded, and put to use as non-fungible tokens. You can tokenize your art and get royalties automatically every time it's resold, or use a token for something you own to take out a loan. The possibilities are growing all the time. Ethereum also provides an open internet in a way that we kind of gain access to free internet services by giving up control on our personal data. So Ethereum services are open by default, so all you need is just a wallet, and these are free and easy to set up and control by you and work without you requiring to put any sort of personal information out there. So as per the Coingecko listing, Ethereum is currently priced at $2,602.76, and over the past 1 year, it has increased by 652.2%, which is pretty impressive. Over the past 24 hours, it has increased by 5.8%. And this is the total market cap of Ethereum as of today. And the all-time high that was observed was $4,356, and it was observed on May 12, 2021. And then eventually the market kind of started falling down and the price started crashing. But since yesterday, I have been noticing that the price has been increasing and showing upward trend, which is a positive sign. The all-time low that was observed was 0.432979. And here we take a quick look at the chart of Ethereum over the span of 24 hours just to understand how it has been performing. If you take a look at the chart over the span of 1 year, you're going to see that the price has been doing significantly going in an upward direction, and it kind of reached all the way here on 11th of May, and after that again it started crashing down, and again it's kind of building another, I would say, a mountain here. So we are still yet to see what's going to happen in the future. So let's say if you would like to buy some Ethereum, there are multiple ways you can do that. You can either go to Binance, which is one of the largest exchanges we have right now, and you can create yourself a nice account, add money, and place an order. Or if you are from Canada, I do recommend you to check out crypto.com, and that's when you can kind of do an Interac e-transfer and kind of place an order for Ethereum. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, and self-explanatory. Now that we are talking about cryptocurrencies, I also want to recommend you guys to check out the Trezor, which is basically a hardware wallet where you can save your cryptocurrencies, and basically it's the safest way to kind of manage and trade your cryptocurrencies. And if you are in it for the long run, it is nice to have a hardware wallet where you can access all the coins you own. So if you want to check that out as well, I have posted the link in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. As per the Forbes website, 42 senior cryptocurrency specialists and academics predicted that Ethereum could be worth $4,596 by the end of 2021. However, as per my research, the panel also predicted that over the longer term, the Ethereum price could reach up to $17,810 by the end of 2025 and $71,000 by the end of 2030. After doing my research, I do believe that Ethereum is a good investment opportunity, and it has the potential to reach around 5K by the end of this year. If you're like me, who believes in long-term investing, just put some money in Ethereum as an investment and accumulate it for the longer term. Eventually, when the price goes up, just sell it and take your profit. Please check the link in the description box below to find more information. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please hit the subscribe button, like button, and the bell icon, and comment down below if you have any more questions that you would like us to answer. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.